What's up guys, Vincent is here. Today I'm going to show you how to record sounds in Cubase using Roland Fantom 8. As you can see here, Roland itself connected to my computer using USB cable, and Roland driver already installed on my computer too. Okay, let's begin. On Cubase environment, as you can see, I created 8 audio channels. Just for your information, I went to Studio, Audio Connection, Inputs. I already created 8 audio inputs and I assign audio input 1 to the first line, audio input 2 to the second line, and so on. In the output, I only created one stereo line and I assign it to main output. Since I'm using Fantom, I can go for sub out 1 or sub out 2, but for now, I'm only using main output. Okay, let's have a look to Fantom itself. Down here, on the first zone, I have the piano sound. On the fourth zone, for example, I have guitar. If you look to Cubase, as you can see, we have signal on line 4. Why? Because zone 4 is activated. If I switch to zone 1, for example, and I play piano, you will see the difference in Cubase. We have signal only in zone 1. Okay, in order to do the recording, you may go to Menu, go to System, roll up to General, USB driver, and set USB driver as a vendor. Then roll down to USB and make sure USB audio input switch is off. I do suggest you to keep it off while you're recording. Otherwise, you're gonna hear everything twice. And roll down and make sure audio output switch is on. Okay, let's record something. As you can see, we got signal only on the first line. Why? Because zone 1 is activated. Let's listen to it. As you can see, we heard nothing, but we got the signal on the first line. Why? I will show you why. Let's go down to Fantom again. Go to the menu, to the system, USB, and set USB audio input switch on. Once I do that, this button gotta be in green. You can do it manually on the front panel like this, or you may do it through the menu here. Okay, it's on. Now, let's play again. As you can see, it works. I hope that would be helpful for you. Leave me any comment if you have any questions. I do my best to answer them. And see you next time. Thank you.